What if I told you that you could make hundreds of dollars every week without leaving your home, without a boss looking over your shoulder, and without a crowded office? Sounds too good to be true, right? But in 2025, this is not only possible, it's happening every day. People are discovering online opportunities that pay more than traditional jobs, and you don't need a special degree to start. Today, I'm going to share 10 hidden online jobs that are growing fast and actually pay well. Some are simple, some need practice, but all of them can give you real income if you take action. Watch closely, because any of these could change your life. 10. Freelance writing and content creation. Freelance writing is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Companies, blogs, and websites are always looking for fresh content, and they pay writers well for quality work. You don't need to be a professional journalist. If you can research a topic and explain it clearly, you can start earning. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer let you create a profile and pitch to clients. Beginners can start with small projects like blog posts or product descriptions. As you gain experience, you can increase your rates and work with bigger clients. Some writers even make $2,000 to $5,000 a month once they have a steady client base. The key is consistency. Write regularly, build your portfolio, and focus on a niche you enjoy. It could be technology, health, finance, or even lifestyle. Once you become known in your niche, opportunities will multiply. 9. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants provide remote support for businesses, entrepreneurs, or busy professionals. This can include tasks like scheduling meetings, managing emails, social media, or customer service. Companies are willing to pay $15 to $50 per hour for a skilled virtual assistant. You don't need a special degree, just organizational skills and reliability. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants to clients around the world. The advantage of this work is flexibility. You can choose the number of hours you want to work, and tasks often vary, which keeps the job interesting. Over time, you can specialize in areas like social media management or project coordination, which increases your pay significantly. 8. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have knowledge in a particular subject, online tutoring can be one of the most rewarding ways to earn money from home. Subjects like math, science, languages, coding, or even music are in high demand, and students or parents are willing to pay for quality guidance. The best part is, you don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. Patience, clear explanations, and expertise in your topic are enough. Platforms such as Chegg, Tutor.com, and Preply make it easy to connect with students all over the world. Tutors can earn anywhere from $20 to $60 per hour, and specialists in niche areas, like advanced mathematics or language coaching, can command even higher rates. Beyond the money, tutoring is fulfilling because you directly impact a student's learning journey. Sessions can be scheduled to fit your lifestyle, making it a flexible, reliable, and meaningful online income source. 7. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products has exploded in 2025. Digital products include ebooks, templates, courses, stock photos, and music. Once you create them, they can sell repeatedly, generating passive income. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market allow creators to sell their products easily. For example, a well-designed spreadsheet template or a short ebook can sell dozens or hundreds of times per month. The beauty of digital products is that they don't require shipping or inventory. You create it once, and it keeps earning. With the right marketing, some creators make thousands of dollars monthly, all from their laptop. 6. Social media management businesses are always looking to improve their online presence. If you know how to create posts, manage accounts, or run ads, social media management can be a high-paying job. You can start by helping small businesses, local stores, or entrepreneurs grow their social media platforms. Many pay $300 to $1,000 per month for managing just one account. Experienced managers who handle multiple accounts or run ads can earn much more. The work involves creating content calendars, posting regularly, interacting with followers, and analyzing performance. If you enjoy creativity and strategy, this can be a very rewarding online career. 5. Website and app testing companies pay for people to test their websites and apps before they launch. Your job is simple. Use the platform as a normal user, report issues, and give feedback. It's easy work and can pay $10 to $50 per test. Websites like User Testing, Try My UI, and TestBirds connect testers with companies. Each test usually takes 15 to 30 minutes, making it a flexible way to earn extra money. While it won't replace a full-time income immediately, if you do several tests a week, it can add up fast. Some testers who are consistent make a few $100s per month, and for those who focus on high-paying tasks, it's even more lucrative. 4. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Many companies, including Amazon, Shopify, and online course platforms, have affiliate programs. You can use blogs, YouTube, or social media to promote products. It's not instant money. You need an audience. But once you set it up, it can become a passive income source. Successful affiliate marketers earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. The key is to choose products you trust and create helpful content that genuinely assists people. When done right, affiliate marketing can grow into a full-time online business. 3. Transcription and captioning. Transcription involves listening to audio or video and converting it into text. Captioning adds text to videos for accessibility and engagement. Platforms like Rev, Scribby, and GoTranscript hire remote workers for these tasks. Beginners can earn $15 to $25 per hour, and experienced transcriptionists who specialize in legal or medical content can make $50 or more per hour. Accuracy and speed are important. With practice, you can increase your earnings and work on more complex projects. Transcription and captioning are flexible and can be done from anywhere with a good headset and a computer. 2. E-commerce and drop shipping. Starting an online store has never been easier. Drop shipping allows you to sell products without keeping inventory. You create an online store, list products, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it simple to set up a store. Some dropshippers make $500 to $5,000 a month within a few months if they find the right products and market them effectively. E-commerce requires marketing skills and testing different products, but the potential income is high. Once you find a winning product, your online store can generate consistent revenue, often surpassing traditional job earnings. 1. AI-powered freelancing. In 2025, AI tools have created new opportunities for online work. Tasks like writing, design, video editing, and research can now be done faster using AI. Freelancers who know how to use AI tools efficiently are in high demand. For example, using AI to generate graphics for clients or create content for websites can earn $50 to $500 per project. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have listings specifically for AI-related services. The advantage is speed and scalability. You can complete projects in a fraction of the time and take on more clients, increasing your income significantly. AI-powered freelancing is still new, so early adopters have a strong advantage. We've gone through 10 hidden online jobs that can pay more than a traditional 9-to-5 job. From freelance writing and tutoring to AI-powered freelancing and dropshipping, there's an opportunity for almost anyone, no matter your skill level. The key takeaway is simple. Action matters more than experience. Start small, build your skills, and focus on consistent effort. Over time, these online jobs can grow into full-time income streams or even a career you love. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into online earning in 2025. Share your biggest online money-making goal in the comments below. I want to hear your story and help you take the first step. Remember, the online world is full of hidden opportunities. The sooner you start, the sooner you can earn on your own terms.